Hi everyone, and welcome to another soothing Sunday practice, or whenever you're practicing this. Today's practice is going to be really simple, just a moment to wake up the spine, to bring a little warmth into the body, and to ease a little stiffness. So come into a comfortable seated position, the one of your choice, wherever your spine feels safe. Wherever your spine can rise naturally, letting go of any rigidity, where you can sit tall enough to feel space between each vertebra. Your chin is parallel to the ground, the back of the neck is long. Relax your shoulders away from your ears. Relax your belly and arrive, resting your hands on your thighs, on your knees, the palms facing up to receive or facing down to ground. And bring your eyes to a gentle close. And just notice the breath. No need to change it just yet. And now start to deepen your breath. Inhale slowly through the nose, deep into the belly. Let your breath rise all the way up to your collarbones. And exhale through the mouth. Let the exhales feel really cleansing, but they're still soft. There's not too much force to them. And again, just like this, inhale through the nose, deeply into the belly. Let the breath rise. Don't lift your shoulders too much towards your ears, keep them relaxed. And exhale through the mouth. And one more in your own time. And let's now add some movement to this breath. Inhale through the nose as you were doing while reaching both arms up overhead. Retain the breath at the top. Let the spine lengthen upward. Lengthen, lengthen, lengthen. And exhale through the mouth. Lower the arms back down. Let the shoulders soften. And again, inhale, arms rise. Feel yourself creating space in your spine. Retain the breath while feeling your spine lifting. And exhale, arms lower back down. And do this one more time at your own pace. Take your time, savor it. And from this point moving forward, try to exhale through the nose. And now bring your arms out to your sides into a T shape with the palms facing forward and open. On a gentle and full inhale through the nose, gently open the chest. Your spine is slightly arching and the gaze is lifting just a little. Seated cow. And on your exhale, tuck your chin towards your chest, round your upper back. Arms come forward, bringing the T shape to a close. Keep your navel tucked in towards your spine to protect your lower back. Seated cat. And again, inhale, open, arch the spine, gaze up. And exhale, tuck your chin to chest, round your back. And now really let your breath guide you. Go as slowly as you want, creating enough space in your spine to feel a slight warmth building. Feel your spine waking up. And now return to a neutral spine, arms relax back down, settle for a moment. Now bring your right hand to the floor beside you, and on a deep and rich inhale, slide your left arm behind your left ear and lift your arm up, and exhale through the nose, lean to the right. Make sure both sitting bones are grounded, and make sure to not collapse your left shoulder towards the ground. Keep everything open and lifted, and settle here for a moment while breathing deeply into your side body. And return to center. And switch sides. Left hand down, right hand slides behind your right ear and the arm lifts. Exhale, lean to the left and settle. Breathe in rich feeling breaths into your side body, feeling the ribs widen. Feel the side body open up gradually. And return to center. And now place your right hand behind you, left hand to the right knee. Deep inhalation here. Lengthen the spine, and exhale, start to gently twist to the right. Make sure the twist is coming from the base of your spine, from your navel, with the head following last. And pause here. If you're not able to take deep, rich breaths, that means you've gone a little too far. And return to center on an exhale. And now switch sides. Left hand behind, right hand to the left knee. Inhale, create space in the spine, lift and lengthen, and exhale, twist from the base of your spine. And create more space by breathing a little deeper. And return to center. Just settle here for a moment. If you allow yourself to fully relax right now, do you feel any tension dissolving away, like a really slight buzzing sensation in your neck or in your shoulders, in your upper back? Really anywhere along your spine. From here we're going to shake. You can stay seated, but you can also stand. Keep your eyes closed so you're fully focused on how things feel and not perturbed by how they look. So shake your body however you feel called to today. Is it the shoulders that want to move, the arms, the spine, the legs, the feet? Where do you still feel some stagnant energy? Really build enough heat so there's enough warmth to melt away those little last bits of sticky residue. Feeling them melt down your back like melting butter. Continue to breathe deeply. Shake, 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 shake. However fast, however slow. And come back to stillness, seated or standing. Let the movement settle. Take one final deep, rich and slow inhale through the nose. And exhale through the mouth, a soft exhale. And open your eyes back to this moment. Do things feel a little more open, a little warmer? Does your spine feel a little more ready for the day? And I hope you have a wonderful day. If you'd like to support a small channel, and if you're craving to go deeper, to drift into a longer, dreamlike morning ritual with me, you can find out all the details on my website, and it will be linked below. You're also welcome to nourish this work with your support through a tip on my Ko-fi page. And if this practice brought any comfort to you, consider giving it a like, leaving a comment letting me know how it felt, and subscribing for more soothing Sunday sessions, a lovely way to end and start your week feeling a little more refreshed. Also consider sharing with a friend who might need a little TLC today. Follow me on my new Instagram page for cozy and slow content, and I'll see you next Sunday for another soothing practice. Until then, take it slow.